وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. A word of wisdom from the Qur'an. There was a question that was raised. Why Allah the Almighty stroke the similitude of this life to the water? What is the relevance between this life and the water? There are verses in the Qur'an that give the answer to this clue, showing the similarity between life and the water, like this ayah. واضرب لكم مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض فأصبح هشيما تذروه الرياح وكان الله على كل شيء مقتدرا. Allah says, and present to them the example of the life of this world, like rain which we sent down from the sky, and the vegetation of the earth mingles with it, and then it becomes dry remnant scattered by the winds, and Allah is ever over all things perfect in ability. Another ayah. إنما مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض مما يأكل الناس والأنعام حتى إذا أخذت الأرض زخرفها وزينت وظن أهلها أنهم قادرون عليها أتاها أمرنا ليلا أو نهارا فجعلناها حصيدا كأن لم تغن بالأمس كذلك نفصل الآيات لقوم يتفكرون والله يدعو إلى دار السلام ويهدي من يشاء إلى صراط مستقيم. The likeness of the present life is only as water which we send down from the clouds. Then there mingles with it the produce of the earth, of which men and cattle eat, until, when the earth receives its mature and looks beautiful, and its owners think that they have power over it, there comes to it our command by night or by day, and we render it a field that is mown down, as if nothing had existed there. Thus we do expound the signs for a people who reflect, and Allah calls to the abode of peace, that means paradise, and guides whom He pleases to the straight path. Beautiful ayah. These two verses showed by this example the similarity between life and water. Scholars say, as the water cannot be stable on one place, it has to sprinkle, to go around. So likewise is the life. It doesn't stand on one attitude. And as the water goes, does not stand on one place, but it sprinkles and extends. So life is the same thing. Life will go. And since the water, no one can take it like this, but he has to involve himself and his clothes by getting wet because of the water. But his whole clothes will get wet, likewise is the life. No one get involved in it will be easily to be saved from its fitna, tribulation. The last reason, and since the little of water will be beneficial, but abundant water will be perishing, like tsunami, abundant water will be perishing. Likewise is the matter of life. Taking little that can barely suffice you in this life is better than taking extra, which will be harming you.
وتلك الأمثال نضربها للناس لعلهم يتفكرون.